Don't know how to download apps on your SANSUI Smart TV with webOS? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download apps, organize them, and remove any apps you no longer need. So first you have to navigate to your home screen, and in the apps section you will see some built-in apps. So if the app you need is already here, just select it and install it from here directly. But if you're looking for more apps, open the App Store from the home screen or navigate to it from the left side of the menu bar. So before you continue, make sure you are signed in with your LG account, and otherwise you may not be able to download some apps. So once you're in the App Store, you will see different categories like featured, entertainment, games, news and info, lifestyle, and education. So you can also select the search icon at the top and type the name of the app you are looking for, such as Spotify or any other available app. So when you find the app, just select it and choose install from here. So once the installation is complete, you can launch it right away or find it later from your home screen. So now to move or delete apps, just go for the Edit App section from the home screen and highlight the app you want to manage. Then press and hold the OK button on the remote. You can drag the app to a new position or select the delete option if you no longer need it. And that's it. That's how you can download, install, move, and delete apps on your SANSUI Smart TV. Hope this can help. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till the end.